7 useful batch files you can create to automate tasks on Windows. Find the article and read it for yourself. I'll include the link in the description. Now, if you don't know how to create a batch file, the article does explain in detail how to do it. So you could write a batch file to empty your recycle bin. You could use a batch file to clear out your temporary files. You can use a batch file to launch multiple apps at the same time. You can use batch files to back up your files and folders in case you don't want to use file history or the Windows 7 backup system. You can use a batch file to quickly and effectively reset your network. Create a system restore point, which I stress on everyone to do at least once a month. And switch between light and dark mode. Not sure how useful that is, but it might help someone. You can use batch files for a whole lot of things, and including that, you can then incorporate PowerShell scripts into a batch file also. And so that will allow you to do more things automatically with a click of a button, or even timed through Event Scheduler or through the Task Scheduler. Even over on my Patreon, I have a whole video on how to do basic software maintenance using scripts, batch files, and how to schedule it in your task scheduler. And so, yeah, it's a very useful and powerful tool to have in your arsenal. And so it's one of those things that if you can learn it and figure it out and master it, it'll put you ahead of everyone else. Talk to you later. Now, if I can just figure out how to do a batch file to make me breakfast.